Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up business email on Squarespace. First, ensure your Squarespace domain is active and ready. You'll need a custom domain to create a professional email address, like your name at your business. Squarespace partners with Google Workspace, offering a streamlined setup process. This integration allows you to manage both your website and email from one platform, enhancing your online presence and credibility. Squarespace does not directly host email, but they offer a robust integration with Google Workspace. This partnership provides a premium solution for all your professional email needs. Google Workspace includes popular tools like Gmail for email, Google Drive for storage, and Google Calendar for scheduling. You can select a plan that suits your business, with options for monthly or annual billing, directly through your Squarespace account settings. To connect, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Google Workspace panel under Settings. If your domain is registered with Squarespace, verification is often automatic. For third-party domains, you might need to manually add a TXT record to your DNS settings for verification. Once verified, you can create your custom email address, like contact@yourdomain.com, and set up additional user accounts as required for your team. After setup, you can access your new business email through Gmail or configure it with third-party email clients like Apple Mail or Outlook. Squarespace also offers email forwarding for up to 100 aliases at no extra cost, allowing you to redirect messages to your primary inbox. This helps ensure no important communication is missed. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.